Eventually, there comes a day when the regular paychecks stop arriving, but even when the active income ends, your monthly living expenses will continue indefinitely. Trying to build a secure future without a clear plan is like trying to build a house without a structural blueprint. You wouldn't just start nailing boards together and hope the roof holds up. That is exactly where a retirement planning calculator comes in. It serves as your primary drafting tool to lay out the math for your future. This tool helps us figure out two very specific numbers: the massive total fund you will need by the end of your career, and the exact amount of money you need to invest every single month from today to actually build it. Establishing these two numbers gives you the mathematical certainty you need to ensure you will not run out of money after your working years are over. Let's look at an example to see how the math works. Imagine you are 40 years old today. You plan to retire at age 60, and you expect to live until age 80. This creates a strict balance in your timeline. You have exactly 20 working years left to earn a salary and save up enough cash to pay for the next 20 non-working years. Right now, let's assume it costs 50,000 rupees a month to cover your household lifestyle. Over a year, that adds up to a baseline expense of 6 lakhs. But we have to factor in an invisible tax, inflation. We are assuming an inflation rate of 6%, which means the cost of everyday goods slowly and relentlessly increases over time. This visualization shows the math of inflation over those 20 remaining working years. That exact same lifestyle that costs 6 lakhs today will require over 19.24 lakhs a year by the time you reach age 61. Because of this, successful retirement planning means you have to save enough to afford the inflated prices of tomorrow, rather than relying on the baseline prices you pay today. Fortunately, the money you save actively grows during your 20 working years. For this calculation, we are assuming an aggressive expected return of 11% while you are still working and investing. Once you hit age 60, your strategy will likely shift towards safety. After accounting for capital gains tax, your post-tax return during those actual retirement years lowers to a steadier 7.88%. This blueprint-style diagram shows the ultimate number the calculator processes. To fund your 20-year inflation-adjusted lifestyle, you will need a total retirement nest egg of approximately 3.27 crores. That 3.27 crores figure is calculated using a realistic approach but accounts for ongoing growth. It assumes you take out what you need at the very start of each year, while the rest of the pile stays invested and quietly earns that 7.88% return to help replenish the stack. This specific calculation method provides a highly realistic target because it proves your money doesn't just sit idle. It actively works to sustain itself long after you stop working. Hearing that you need over 3 crores can sound intimidating, but you likely have a starting advantage. Let's assume you already have an existing savings balance of 5 lakhs rupees today. This bar chart shows our 3.27 crore target goal. Without you doing any extra work, that 11% pre-retirement return independently grows your existing 5 lakhs into roughly 40.31 lakhs by the time you turn 60. That provides a solid base, but it leaves a massive void between the 40.31 lakhs generated by your existing savings and the 3.27 crores you actually need. To bridge this exact gap, the calculator gives us a final action plan, a required systematic investment plan, or SIP. This just means setting up an automatic monthly habit. You need to invest approximately 32,372 rupees every single month starting today. This line graph shows your complete retirement schedule. Your savings peak precisely at age 60 and then slowly deplete year by year to cover your rising, inflated expenses, landing perfectly at zero exactly at the end of your life expectancy at age 80. Taking a massive, intimidating financial target and converting it into a simple, disciplined monthly habit is the true power of creating a mathematical retirement blueprint. Keep in mind that this calculator is a clean mathematical model, meant entirely for educational and informational purposes. In reality, clean math is often disrupted by real-world variables, like unexpected medical emergencies, lifestyle upgrades, changes to tax laws, and actual market volatility. Because of those variables, you should always consult with a qualified financial advisor to tailor this theoretical blueprint to your messy, real-world life before making any investment decisions. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to hit subscribe and click the notification bell for more tools to help build your financial clarity. A paper blueprint cannot prevent a storm from hitting your house, but having one ensures you've built a structure strong enough to keep you dry